more people to connect. So by the way, those of you who are connecting from other platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, if you do end up winning, you'll need to quickly send us your email address and phone number so that we can connect to you. Thank you so much. Good luck to everyone. Yeah. So let's get started. So welcome to the blockchain quiz. And it's going to be one round as always. And there are going to be 15 questions. Just remember, the faster that you answer, the more points that you get. So of course, getting it right is more important. But if multiple people get it right, then the next thing that we take into account is the time you took to answer. So let's just wait for some more to get in. And so we start off in about 30 seconds. Okay, I think we're good to go. So let's start. So question number 1, which of these blockchains is optimized for fast decentralized trading but lacks smart contracts and strong programmability? Right. So there are 4 blockchains here: BNB Beacon Chain, BNB Smart Chain, Cardano, Phantom. If you're confused, BNB Beacon Chain is the new name and BNB Smart Chain, new name for the Binance chains. So the Smart Chain is now called BNB Smart Chain. Time's up. Okay, so a very small percentage got this right. So the right answer is BNB Beacon Chain. So earlier it was just called as the Binance Chain, and that was made for the Binance trading platform, for the crypto exchange. And that is why it was optimized for this fast decentralized trading, but it did not have smart contracts and programmability features. And that is why the second one called Binance Smart Chain came in, which is now called BNB Smart Chain. Let me go to the next question. So question number 2, which of these is a mobile first blockchain? Right? Fairly simple. You'll be able to kind of guess the answer. Is it Celo, Flow, Stellar, or Tezos? So the question is, which of them is a mobile first blockchain? Right? That means its use cases and everything is focused on mobile rather than conventional server based blockchain. Time's up. Oh, awesome. A lot of you got that right. So the answer is Celo. Perfect. Awesome. Let's go to the next question. So question number 3. In which ecosystem can each blockchain have its own custom tokens, tokenomics, and governance rules? Is it BNB Smart Chain, Celo, Phantom, or Waves? So please focus on the question. Each blockchain. So that means it's not one blockchain. There are multiple blockchains, each of which can have its own custom tokens, tokenomics, and governance. So out of the 4, you have to guess which one that is. Time's up. Okay, the correct answer is Phantom. A lot of you thought it's BNB Smart Chain. No. So BNB Smart Chain is one single blockchain. Phantom is actually multiple blockchains. You can set up multiple blockchains on that platform. Let me go to the next one. Question number 4. Which of these blockchains uses collector nodes, execution nodes, verifier nodes, and consensus nodes? So it's the only blockchain out of these 4 which has these 4 terminologies for the different types of nodes. So is it Avalanche, Phantom, Flow, or Terra? Yeah, it's a little tough question. So which of them has this terminology of 4 different kinds of nodes? Time's up. And the answer is Flow. So a lot of you said Avalanche. No, it's not Phantom, it's not Terra, it's Flow. Awesome. Let me go to the 5th question. After this, we'll be showing the leaderboard also, every 5 questions. Which of these involves multiple transfers to be bundled into a single transaction? These are not blockchains, these are technologies. Is it optimistic rollups, plasma chains, plasma rollups, or ZK rollups? So if you're a little familiar with Polygon, you'd easily get this. If you're not, you can always guess. Right? Go with whichever one sounds the coolest to you. Time's up. Okay, a lot of you got that right. That's excellent. The answer is ZK rollups. One more question before, yeah, that's the leaderboard right now. So as of right now, Ajay is winning. Awesome, congratulations. Yagnadeep is close by. Abba, Samit, Vignesh, MJ and the others, you're going to have to really buck up because in terms of speed, you're a little slower than the first two. So all the best. Let's go on to the next one. Question number 6. Which of these blockchains uses proof of history consensus mechanism? Very simple. This blockchain has been in the news a lot recently for the wrong reasons. That itself should make you guess it. Is it Polkadot, Polygon, Solana, or Waves? Of course, if you have time, you can always try Googling the answer. But I think you'll be able to guess it pretty easily. Time's up. Awesome. A large number of you got it right. It is Solana. And of course, as we know, Solana has been in news for the wrong reasons recently because of all the successful hacks that took place on it. Let me go to the next one. Question number 7. Almost halfway through. Which of these blockchains is bringing smart contracts and decentralized apps to Bitcoin? Okay. So I'm not saying that this blockchain has smart contracts. No, I'm saying it is bringing it to Bitcoin. Is it Algorand, Cardano, Stacks, or Tezos? Fairly easy to guess. Two of them definitely you can discount. The doubt should be between the other two. Time's up. Okay, a lot of you got that right. Excellent. The answer is Stacks. So while the others do have their own smart contracts, Stacks is actually bringing all this to Bitcoin. Let's go to the next one. So question 8 of 15, we are now past the halfway mark. Which of these is an open source public blockchain protocol for algorithmic stablecoins? Is it Phantom, Stellar, Terra, or Stacks? So basically the primary use case of this blockchain is algorithmic stablecoins, not fiat-backed stablecoins, algorithmic. I think that itself should make you guess this very easily. Is it Phantom, Stellar, Terra, or Stacks? Time's up. Awesome. Majority of you got that right. It is Terra. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Question number 9. In which of these consensus mechanisms do miners have to prove that they are using space to store replicas of data and the data can be easily accessed? That last word seems to have vanished. Accessed. Is it delegated proof of stake, proof of elapsed time, proof of replication, or proof of space-time? If you've been following my daily quizzes on LinkedIn, then you know the answer already. But otherwise also you should be able to guess the answer. A lot of you guessed it correct, proof of replication. So as you can see, the hint was in the question itself. So in this consensus mechanism, miners have to prove that they are using space to store replicas or copies of the data. And that is why it's called proof of replication. Question number 10. Which feature of an ERC20 token enables it to be lent without requiring collateral as long as you return the loan in the same transaction? It's not difficult. Don't get worried even if you're not a programmer. Just look at the 4 words. Flash minting, mintable, ownable, or permit. It's a very common term in crypto where you can take a loan without collateral provided you return the loan in the same transaction. And the name for that is Flash loans. So if you guessed Flash loans, then you realize that the feature of ERC20 token is Flash minting. So while it sounded like a question for developers only, you can kind of guess the answer. Let's look at the, okay. So Ajay is still leading. No, sorry. Yagnadeep has taken over the lead. That's very interesting. And close by is Ajay. And Anmol, Amit, Sanyam, Shashank, and the others. Well, you've got a lot to catch up. So you've got to be really, really fast in the last few questions. Let's go to the next one. Question number 11. Which of these consensus mechanisms is the best for scaling blockchains, right? So is it proof of meaningful work, proof of work, or proof of work time? Obviously, one of these you can very easily discard. You know it cannot be that. Out of the other two, you're going to have to take a 50-50 guess. But even there, it's a little easy if you just look at the wordings. Time's up. Okay. And the answer is proof of work time. So proof of work definitely is not. And in fact, proof of work is a very big problem, which is why a lot of the proof of work blockchains have problems scaling. And that's one of the reasons why Ethereum wants to go to another consensus, proof of stake. Proof of meaningful work is a very interesting one, where the mining power that you're using is actually used to do good things like research for cancer cure. That is why it is called proof of meaningful work. But for scaling, the best one is proof of work time. I'd written a little about this in one of the LinkedIn polls, so if you've seen that there, you'd understand. Let's go to the next one. Question number 12. Last few questions to go. Which of these is an ecosystem of interconnected blockchains that are application specific? Actually, somebody asked a question on this in the chat just before we started with the quiz. So you'll probably be able to guess the answer from that. Very simple. It's the ecosystem of interconnected blockchains. So it's not just a single blockchain. Time's up. And the answer is Polkadot. So as we were discussing earlier, Polkadot has a series of blockchains which are parallel to each other. They're called parachains. And at the base, you have relay chain, which takes care of finality and mining and other things. So the most important factor of Polkadot is ecosystem of multiple blockchains. Awesome. Many of you got that right. Let's go to the next question. Question 13, just 3 to go. In which consensus mechanism is the energy invested by miners used for calculations that benefit public scientific research projects? I just told you the answer a few questions ago. So you can see it here. Is it proof of work, proof of meaningful work, hybrid proof of work, or delayed proof of work? Very, very simple. I gave you the answer just a few minutes ago. I hope all of you get this right. Okay, a lot of you got it right. It is proof of meaningful work. So actually, even from the name, you could kind of guess that. So awesome. Many of you got that right. Second last question. Which of these facilitate communication between blockchains through the transfer of information and assets? It's been in the news a lot recently for being hacked. So which of these 4 gets regularly hacked? One of the names is just to confuse you. Is it anchors, bridges, mirrors, or wormholes? Actually, 2 of them are just to confuse, but you'll be able to guess. I'm sure most of you are going to get this one right. The answer is bridges. So mirrors doesn't exist. Wormholes is nothing actually. Wormhole is the name of one of the bridges. Anchors was for confusing you guys, and bridges is the correct answer. A lot of them being hacked regularly, including the most recent one, I think was called Ronin, if I'm not mistaken. And now we go to the final question. Which of the following is not a feature of smart contracts? Very, very simple. You don't have to know any programming to guess it. In the word only, you will guess the answer. Is it automatic execution? Do smart contracts have automatic execution? Do they have privacy protection? Do they have visible terms? Do they have unpredictable outcomes? Only one of these 4 they do not have. Very simple to guess. Okay, most of you got that right. Unpredictable outcome, because smart contracts have predictable outcomes. Awesome. Let's have a look at the winners. Before we show it, in your own mind, can you guess who won it? I'm also thinking of who the person could be. Let's see. Okay. Awesome. So Yagnadeep is the winner. Awesome, with 1,013 points. Phenomenal. Yagnadeep, if you are right now here with us on Creator, we'll be able to pull you online. So Creator team, would we be able to pull Yagnadeep on? Yagnadeep, can you just share your email address on the platform right now? If you are on LinkedIn, you're going to have to come to Creator for that. Okay, he's shared it. Great. Can we have him online? And second is Ajay. Third is Sanyam. Fourth is Anmol. Fifth is Abbas. And sixth is Ashish. Awesome. Creator team, can you also show the logo for the blockchain bulls? I want to talk to you guys about that. I'm not able to figure out how to show it on the screen. So I've started a community called Blockchain Bulls. So if you are bullish on blockchain technology, metaverses, NFTs, all the things that come Web3, then join this. And if you want, you can even start a chapter or a group of this community in your college, in your city, in your company, in your country. We've got a really cool looking logo also. If you refresh, you have a way to go live. Okay. I don't know how to show you guys that logo, but if you've been following me on social media, you've probably seen the logo already. Just refresh the link and a button called Go Live will be there. Refresh here or here. Okay, I'm confused. Where exactly? Okay, awesome. First time someone's hit 1,000 points. Okay, that's amazing. So that was really fast. Refreshes for Yagnadeep. Oh, okay. So, okay, why don't you guys just connect with me on Twitter? Creator team, if you can just share my Twitter link. Just connect with me there and you can be a part of Blockchain Bulls. And there are lots and lots of really cool activities that we're planning to do there. And Yagnadeep says it's his first quiz. That's amazing. So Yagnadeep, do you come from a blockchain development background? Yeah, that's the logo. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, that's the Blockchain Bulls logo. We are also going to come out with our own NFT very soon. And the NFT is going to be a free airdrop for only Blockchain Bulls community members. So all you need to do is you need to follow me on Twitter and then you'll be part of the community and I'll also tell you what the next steps are. And if you want to set up a group in your college, city, country or company, DM me on Twitter directly. It's not a paid community. As you would have noticed, almost everything that I do for the community is always free, right? So whether it's my courses, whether it's my quizzes, all of them are always free for you guys. So yeah, you like the logo? Can you guys just give me a thumbs up if you like the logo? By the way, you could give a thumbs up on AHA slides also. I think they also have a feature for that. Awesome. Nice that you guys liked it. So this logo is for the community. The community members will be able to use this logo for their business also. So if you want to start a coffee shop and use this logo or you want to use it anywhere, you will get intellectual property rights to use it for free. First step, just join the community.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. I got it.
Awesome. I'm waiting for Yagnadeep to come online. Yeah.
Hey, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I can't see you.
Yeah, my cam isn't working right now.
Oh, okay. So we're not able to. Okay, if I stop sharing. Oh, okay. Your camera, can you try to get it on?
My webcam isn't working right now.
Oh, that's sad. Okay, but tell us something about yourself. Are you from the blockchain development background?
No, I'm a student actually. I'm studying in Bangalore.
Oh, very nice.
I've been following you since the last 8 months or something. So
Oh,
that's what.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm really impressed.
Yeah, I actually completed that ADDS course.
Oh, that's amazing.
So I was able to easily get those answers.
Okay, that's really nice. So for the rest of you, please make sure you join the next batch of ADDS. It's a free online course. We are right now on batch number 3 and the batch 4 should start somewhere in July. It's very simple. Just go to my website. There's a link for joining. You can sign up for the mailing list and you can sign up for the LinkedIn group. It's all free. If you want, you can even sign up today. You'll just miss the first few sessions. You can go and catch up with them. So Yagnadeep is the winner. He'll be getting his 2K winning prize from, by the way, Team Creator, thank you so much for sponsoring all these prizes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, awesome. So there's always one winner. The top guy gets it. But if some more people want to come and sponsor prizes, then we can give it to others also. So please share the word in your networks. And if we get more sponsors for the prizes, we can always give it to the top 5 also. So awesome. Nice. See you guys next Friday at the same time. I'll let you know the topic for next time's quiz soon. Do you have suggestions what the topic should be? I was thinking of Web3. So we do it only on the Web3 projects. What do you guys think? You can just put in your comments here. Web3. Yeah, DeFi I was planning to do after that. So I was thinking we do Web3, then we do DeFi, and after that we could do DAO. So blockchain is the one we did right now. Before that we had done NFTs. Before that we did general cryptos. So awesome. Your suggestions are the same. And please spread the word around. Maybe if we get more sponsors, we'll give it to the top 5. Stablecoins, again, I'll keep that in mind. And Metaverse, definitely. Metaverse is also there. But next time, let's do Web3, right? Okay, Mayank says he's poor. Mayank, you're using a computer and the internet, so you technically cannot be poor, right? But don't worry. Mayank, what was your rank this time? If you're able to hear me, Mayank, if you tell me your rank, maybe I'll help you win next time. Okay, so see you guys. It was nice interacting with you. See you next Friday at the same time. Bye-bye. Okay, Mayank was 20 this time. Okay.